Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at JeepsterMan. Today we're talking about the chassis that we sell. This is a Willys Jeep CJ2A chassis frame that we sell. Excellent frames, they're new. We'll do a walk around of this real quick, and we're going to show kind of the overall picture of this first. So you can see it. So these frames, in my opinion, are better than the originals. These things are robotic welded together. Excellent looking welds on these things. They're finished in an epoxy primer. And then the metal that's used is called like a galvanneal. And the process they use creates a corrosion resistant metal, which, as many of you know, your original frames are not like that. So really, these are just excellent quality frames. JeepsterMan, we're one of the only companies that carry these, and I don't think you're going to find these at a lower price. We started carrying them and recommending to customers to use these, and they're really excellent frames. They come from MD Juan, and I'm really happy with the quality on these things. The welds, everyone that we've sold to a customer so far, the customers really like them. They line up great, the welds are great, and they're, using that process with the galvanneal is excellent. So we're carrying these frames for the MB, the GPW, CJ2A, CJ3B, and CJ5. You can find all these on our website, thejeepsterman.com. If you've got questions, you can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call us, 314-798-6462. And we have all these frames listed on there, and I don't think you'll find a lower price. Our price does include the shipping as well. And we just thank you guys for watching our videos. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep restoration parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what? No high tech at all.